Hello everyone, my name is Chioma. Welcome to my channel and the review video of 15 Seconds Profit Warrior. 15 Seconds Profit Warrior is a platform put together by Phlip, and Akter. So this platform teaches you how you can earn commissions with the help of a secret traffic source. Yes, this is what these guys are promising today, that they have discovered a secret traffic source that can help you earn some commissions. So guys, if this sounds like something you like, stick with me as I'll go into details whilst also giving you a full demo of how this truly works. But do not forget to click on the bell icon down below for notification, leave a comment, click the like, share, subscribe button also. And as usual, I've added some of my awesome bonuses to this pack. All you need to do to have access to my bonuses is also to click on the link that is in the description box below. It brings you to my bonus page, guys, and you will have access to all these 5 awesome bonuses, guys. Yes, that is what I'm promising. But remember, the clock is ticking. The earlier the better, because I'm promising you and I'm assuring you that once you grab your own copy within this time frame, of course, all the bonuses that I've added you have access to. And once this timer runs out, guys, I'm not assuring you that you have access to all the bonuses that I shall be showing you in this video. All right, so let me quickly take you guys to the sales page. Let's see what these guys are saying about this platform. So this is Phlip. So let me quickly read what they have here. It says miracle 15-second traffic hack revealed. Watch a complete newbie bank $171 per day using a 15 seconds free buyer traffic loophole. Then duplicate their exact results in mere seconds without spending a dime. So these are the features of this product. So number one, they said it's specifically made for beginners, backed by real case studies, all-in-one solution, free buyer traffic in seconds, no further investments, and of course 30-day money back guarantee. All right, let me take you to the steps that. So before then, this is Akter, one of the people that put together this training module. So let me quickly take you guys to the steps that you need to deploy to have this up and running. So the first step is, of course, let's say go down a little bit. So the first one, of course, you need to activate it. By activating the multiple included high converting offers handpicked for the highest possible commissions and conversions. And the second step, you connect the 15-second buyer traffic method just by copy and pasting exactly where we show you. And then the third step, of course, you earn your commissions. All right, now I've shown you the steps. Let me quickly take you guys to the bonuses that they have added. Yes, they added 5 bonuses as well, plus mine, making it 10 bonuses. Remember, guys, even if it is just the front end that you're purchasing today, you have access to 10 awesome bonuses. So the first one is their direct VIP support access to 15-second warrior. The second one is exclusive behind the scene look into how they made $43,000 in 7 days. And then the third bonus is free high ticket training, that is what $1,997. The fourth one is unfair advantage in business and life custom training. And then the fifth bonus is instant approval to promote 15-second profit warrior. Yes, these are the bonuses that they have added. So let me quickly show you guys the bonuses that I've added. So the first one is a hack that teaches you how you can go from $0 to $100 in 24 hours. And then the second one is 5 top email marketing tips. Yes, because once you generate that traffic, you can also, it will help you earn more commissions. And then the third bonus is being ad course. And then the fourth one is high ticket hero. The fifth, of course, is access to all the vendor bonuses. Yes, guys, these are the bonuses. Remember, I'm promising you that if you grab within this time frame, all the 10 bonuses shall be added automatically. But once this timer runs out, guys, I'm not promising you have access to all the bonuses. But remember, if you signed in through Warrior Plus, something like this shows up, and you can access the bonus by clicking on the blue button where it says access affiliate bonus. Click on it and it will automatically be added. If it is through JVZoo where the red arrow is pointed at, click on that box there and then the bonuses shall be added. Now guys, I have shown you the sales page, we'll shown you the bonuses, and then let's talk about the prices, guys. So about the front end, is just $12.95, and of course you have access to the software and training modules. The upsell one, which is the pro version, is $37. So you get advanced training, proven converting campaigns, and even more hacks to convert up to 10 times higher. And then the upsell 2 is done for you money makers, which is $67. So the done for you setup of the system, so you get campaigns and all of that. The third upsell is the unlimited traffic, which is $97. So all customers to put their pixels on their sales page and have a digital email list. The fourth upsell is the reseller right, which is $97. So get commissions of 15 seconds profit warrior and start banking in 2 times more commissions. The upsell 5, which is coaching, is worth $497. So this is their exclusive coaching platform, including live weekly calls for an entire year. And of course, I've discussed some of the features, some of the benefits, guys. So now we have seen the prices, the upsells, and then the bonuses. Let me take you guys to the members area. Let's see how it looks like. So once you purchase, you log in, this is what you see. So this is the dashboard area, guys. So let's take a listen to what Dan has to say.
Congratulations for picking up 15 seconds profit warrior. Okay, this is 100% proven product that will help you achieve your goals online. Okay, I'm Dan, the co-founder of 15 seconds profit warrior, together with Phlip and Akter. Okay, in this training we're going to teach you exactly how to leverage YouTube shorts. Okay, it only takes 15 seconds to make a YouTube short. Okay, it takes 15 seconds. Okay, you're going to get leads, you're going to get commissions, and we have laid out every single step for you. Okay, there's no guesswork. We have we even teach you how to create your own YouTube channel. Okay, that's how much of a beginner friendly course this is. And what I want to tell you is, if you want to have the rewards of leads and commissions later, then you have to put in a little bit of work now, so that you only need 15 seconds to 20 seconds a day just to do a YouTube short, and that's it, right? All you have to do is just take action now and then implement it, and then you can reap the rewards later. Alright, so and it only take you like a day to finish this training, or maybe even lesser actually. Okay, so make sure to take action, implement it, and sign up for the 43K in 7 days workshop. And also below I have my YouTube channel. Okay, my YouTube channel is all content. Okay, it's all content. There's no review videos inside. Alright, it's all free value for you to consume and actually start growing your business. Okay, and I also have a free 4-day video training on affiliate marketing for you if you're interested in that. So just click the link down below if you want to enroll in that free 4-day training. Alright, so anyway, my name is Dan. Thank you very much for being here. And
so guys, this is a welcome, more like an intro about how this platform works. So if you click on the introduction, you get to see the overview, pretty much all the trainings right here, the intro to YouTube shorts, about YouTube shorts, stuff like that. And then if you go to the theory part, this is what you get. So what to put in your description, the title, the tags, the hashtags, and all of that. And about the protocol, you get, this is it says using mobile screens or on desktop, smartphone, inbuilt screen recorder, and all that. So guys, so this is pretty much what it is. So once you log into this members area, you see the the dashboard, the coaching, the resale rights, the unlimited traffic, the done for you package, and the pro version, depending on which package that you purchase. So you basically will have access to that, but this is like the basic, maybe the front end actually. With less than $13, you have access to this front end. So guys, that's it from me to you guys today. I have shown you what 15 seconds profit warrior is and what these guys have said about this product. If this sounds like something you like, guys, do not hesitate to grab through my link. And if you know someone that this product will be of benefit to, do not forget to share, guys. And thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing. Thanks for sticking with me. And guys, I will see you in my next video. You stay safe and bye.